Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bloom in Blender. First, navigate to the Render Properties tab, which looks like a camera icon. Here, you'll find the bloom checkbox. Make sure it is enabled. Next, locate the threshold setting. This value determines how bright a pixel needs to be before it starts to glow. A lower threshold means more areas will bloom. Finally, adjust the radius to control how far the glow spreads from its source. These initial steps are crucial for setting up your basic bloom effect. Now, let's dive into more advanced controls for refining your bloom. The intensity slider allows you to make the glow stronger or weaker, typically ranging from 0 to 2. You can also change the color of your bloom effect using the color picker, adding a unique tint to your scene. For instance, a subtle blue can create a cool, ethereal look. Lastly, the clamp option helps prevent overly bright areas by limiting the maximum brightness of the bloom, ensuring a balanced visual. Balancing visual quality with performance is key. For quicker feedback in your viewport, consider reducing the bloom quality settings. However, for your final render, increasing the number of samples will produce a much smoother and more refined bloom effect, minimizing any graininess. If you encounter performance issues with complex scenes, a useful technique is to render your bloom on a separate layer, giving you more control and potentially faster render times. If your bloom isn't appearing as expected, here are some common troubleshooting tips. First, verify that your scene contains sufficiently bright light sources or objects with emissive materials. Bloom needs something to glow from. Double-check that the bloom checkbox is enabled in both your viewport display and final render settings. Finally, don't hesitate to experiment with the threshold and radius values. Small adjustments can often lead to significant and desired changes in your bloom's appearance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.